Can you really fry ice cream, and how does that actually work? It sounds impossible, but frying ice cream is a real culinary trick that will blow your mind. Let's uncover the science behind this surprising dessert. Frying ice cream might sound crazy because ice cream melts at high heat. However, chefs use a clever technique. They scoop ice cream into balls and freeze them hard, sometimes dipping them in a coating like crushed cookies or batter. Then they flash fry the balls in extremely hot oil for just seconds. The outside crisps up quickly while the inside stays frozen. This contrast creates a mind-blowing texture experience you would not expect from frying. The secret lies in physics. Ice cream's temperature is far below freezing, and the frying time is extremely short, often less than 30 seconds. The oil's high heat forms a crispy crust from the coating, insulating the inner ice cream from melting. This rapid cooking prevents heat from penetrating deeply, keeping the inside solid. It's a perfect balance of thermal conductivity, freezing point, and cooking speed that makes this dessert possible. Different chefs use various coatings to achieve the perfect fried ice cream. Tempura batter is light and crisps quickly. Crushed cookies or cornflakes add texture and flavor while acting as a heat barrier. Some recipes even freeze the coated ball again before frying to ensure it holds shape. The coating is key to creating that satisfying crunch and preventing the ice cream from melting too fast. While fried ice cream feels modern, it has roots in various cuisines. Some credit Asian restaurants popularizing it in the US during the 80s, while others trace it back to Mexican flair with crunchy coatings. This dessert's blend of textures and temperatures appeals worldwide, making it a fun fusion of culinary science and culture. So yes, you can really fry ice cream, and it works because of freezing, quick frying, and clever coatings that keep the inside cold while the outside crisps. This surprising dessert shows how science and creativity combine in the kitchen. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.